Here you go, son.
Oh man, it's the best day ever. This is the worst day ever. I'm feeling good because after months of experiencing crashes and freezes on my old potato laptop, I finally upgraded to my monster PC. But this wasn't just about upgrading my tech. No. This was a story of overcoming, of moving forward. And in this video, I'm gonna take you through the whole journey of why I built my PC, how I built it, and of course, I gotta share some of the unexpected obstacles I ran into along the way. I was saying HDMI no signal. I have no idea what this message that came up means. Oh, so stick around. Let's dive in. I opened the Best Buy app and I loaded into my cart. I'm like, oh, this is easy. Everybody was talking like it's gonna be hard to get. I did this no problem. Fuck you talking about? In my cart, 5090 on the way. That wasn't it. It started glitching, started giving me errors. When I went to go add it back to my cart, it was sold out. It was sold out. So I'm like, okay, that's no problem. That's no problem, right? That's what you gotta tell yourself. I'm thinking that the stock is gonna come back. Boy, was I wrong. It's been the complete opposite. I'm seeing them on eBay for triple the price. I'm talking $6,000, $10,000. I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go back to the 4090. Those prices skyrocketed too. So now I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do, right? After some research and deliberation, I landed on the NVIDIA 3060. Definitely not the same power as a 5090 or 4090, but it's a step up from what I had. But for the case, I wanted something that looked nice. I wanted something more refined, something more sophisticated. So I'm researching, I'm like, all these shits look big, black, and ugly. That was until I came across the Fractal North XL. Whoo! I remember the first time I seen it, I was like, there was literally no other PC case that looked like it. It had the nice wood paneling on the front. It made it look like, you know, something out of Pottery Barn. Now for the CPU, I went AMD. I went with the 7950X. For my RAM, I got 64 gigs. For my storage, I got a 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 4 terabyte, another 4 terabyte SSD. Got a new Asus monitor. Now that we got all that out the way, let's build this bitch. I was listening to Chief Keef this morning. He got me in the right mindset. You know what I mean? I'm turned up, I'm ready to go, I'm feeling good. My freaking laptop plug is stuck. All right, there we go. I'm about to install the CPU bracket. Installing the CPU was a little bit scary because when I installed the frame, the CPU came back up. Fuck, I hate these little shits, bro. How the fuck you supposed to pick it up, bro? Oh, if this boots on first try, I'ma go. Apply some pressure, get a click. That's not, there we go. It's honestly not as bad as I thought. God damn, does this screw come out? As soon as I said it, I might have spoke too soon, y'all. Might have spoke too fucking soon. There we go. Feel me? I be in the gym a little bit. The fatigue is starting to set in a little bit. He honestly should have shot Sinatra. Cause the little snake bitch, she came in, popped her, bah! Whispered in her ear, you should have just let me have the weed. I was like, yo, she's cold. But back to this. Let me focus up real quick before I fuck up. Ooh-wee. It's tough to get in these little tight positions. Pause.
Hey, yo!
Now I can get in them. One of the little screws got lost up in the case, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to go about this. I don't want to just shake, the PC. All right, let's go. I got it. It's day 2. I thought I could finish the whole thing in one day, but I couldn't. I was like 6 hours in. My stomach started yelling at me. That bitch was growling. Rrr, rrr. Sounded like a bear was in there. And the fatigue started to set in. I had to call it wraps. I didn't get as many clips this day. I was just focused on getting this done. And I finished the build. And I'm about to power it on for the first time. I'm about to go grab my monitor, a keyboard, hook it up, and see if it works. I'm nervous. Go on. Yo, we got action. The fans are blowing. I'm seeing lights. Yo, this is unbelievable. First time, and it booted up. Come on, bruh. You can't beat that. I have no idea what this message that came up means. No, I'm about to just put this in ChatGPT. I received an error saying, this is why ChatGPT is the GOAT. It broke it down and it told me what button I need to press. See, hopefully we should load into the BIOS. And now it's saying HDMI no signal. I brought the PC up here. I got my newer monitor. Yes, we made it to the BIOS. When I saw that BIOS screen pop up, that was the moment that everything came together. But it wasn't just about getting the PC to turn on. This was about something bigger. I didn't grow up building PCs. I didn't have any friends who could walk me through the process. All I had was YouTube and a willingness to learn something new. And now that I've built it, it feels good. I feel a sense of accomplishment that I built something with my own 2 hands. And my old laptop, it used to hold me back. I felt limited with what I could do. But with my new PC, the only limit is my creativity. Like I said in the intro, this wasn't just about building a PC. It was about moving forward, about evolving. Growth isn't comfortable. It requires doing what you've never done before. But on the other side of that risk is freedom. This is just the beginning. Because building the PC, that was only half the battle. The other half is sound. That's what brings it to life. And if you want to see how I brought this PC to life, check out this video right here. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a good day.